it's difficult to compare the one with the other because trials are methodologically more correct than real-world studies. What we should focus on is the added value of real-world studies over clinical trials, which is not a matter of methods, because trials cannot be compared methodologically to real-world studies. Real-world studies, I see real-world studies as a way of generating new ideas for future studies, future trials. We have seen with the monoclonal antibodies acting on the CGRP pathway that the application in clinical practice was on a different population compared with that of clinical trials. And in that populations, we have to identify subgroups of patients who most benefit from that treatment. And in those patients, in those kind of patients, we had to make further studies and maybe further trials for newer substances. That is the added value of real-world studies. Another added value is to identify possible new outcomes of the treatments, because we know that migraine is not just a matter of headache frequency, or how many headaches do you have. It's also a matter of the impact of headache on your everyday life. So this can be easily captured in real-world studies, which are focused on real patients. And it can generate new outcomes that can be used in newer trials.